On the Sally Greether, yes. Salt mackerels.
That's what you call that. Mackerel.
Yes, well, you got herring.
Breck salsa.
Breck selges. Breck selges. Ginger and Greether. Ginger and Greether. Oh, yes, the Greether was the ash, you know. I never tasted anything sweeter than that in my life. And if I was home, I wouldn't have had it. But it was sweet. Rooking hay down in the meadow out towards Ashcroft there. And old ripe sallies, you know. But they used to be putting the herring on the Greether too to roast it. Always. The men would be coming in from the field at night and they would get their porridge and a cup of tea afterwards and a herring done on the Greether. That was on the fire, you know, but on the ashes, like.
Well, what else is there now? What about those people that were in bed and the roof blew off?
Oh, here he come. And tie soon. Oh, can work in the sage, he was saying.
Could you put that in Manx?
What?
Could you put that in Manx?
Well, that was what he was saying, you know. When work in the sage. But the old people used to be, Billy, they were making a living with going to Paul Bent. Out to the Shasler, yeah? And pulling the bench, you know, and making it in sheaves and selling it for a penny a sheaf. And there was 12 bundles in what they called a stuka bent, and it would be a shilling. And men used to do that in the winter time when time would be slack for the thatch houses, going to Douglas Upway and going to Laxey and different places. 2 shillings and 4 shillings for 4 dozen sheaves of bent.
That's hard, isn't it?
Yes. And you know, you put your hand down like that, and then you put your other hand on top of that, and you pulled up the stalk. And when you would have so many stalks together, you would double them and you would shake them like this to shake the sand, then put them all straight. I've seen my old uncle doing that and selling it at a shilling a stuk. I think it was a yard, or a yard and a half. The band that you were tying, there were 2 long stalks of bent and you knotted them and tied the sheaf with that. And you pulled it. Didn't Johnny Lace and them go one time? Was it up to Castletown?
Yes, that's right.
And Johnny said it was growing so high, you know, and he lifted his hands. The bent was growing so high. But he was telling about the thatching. Now that old, you'd hardly get thatch houses now. Our old thatch house out there is some of the oldest. That's a very, very old place. You know, aren't they waiting now to get a new roof on it? That's the way it's not thatched. But that's, I don't know what age was that. There was 2 dwelling houses there one time. And there was a school in the stable. And old Danny Tier and Robbie Garrett, they went to school in the stable. She was an old dame that kept it in.
And how much would they pay for that?
What?
Penny a week or something like that?
Oh,
or did they fetch stuff?
Shilling for about 3 months.
Shilling a quarter.
Yeah.